Steve Mori. I live in Camillus.
Okay. And how did you hear about Dr. Joe?
I heard about Dr. Joe from another parent at the school where my kids go to. I am the father of twin autistic boys.
Okay, and why did you decide to come in and see Dr. Joe?
We decided to come in and see Dr. Joe based on the recommendation of the other parent. We also noticed that our boys were having difficulty focusing. They had really bad eye contact. Coordination skills really lacked. And after doing some research and finding out that chiropractic care can actually help all of those issues, we decided to give it a try.
Okay. And was there improvement with care?
Wow, the improvement's night and day. I think that most people, when you have kids that are on the autistic spectrum, eye contact is absolutely atrocious, usually. The eye contact is incredible now. The energy level is great. The coordination skills are coming. One of my sons actually, when he walked, would turn his leg inward, his right leg inward. That has now straightened itself out.
Okay, and how would you say an adjustment feels?
There's no pain whatsoever.
Okay, good. And what would you tell somebody who was considering coming in for chiropractic care?
Do it sooner rather than later. Not only have I seen an overall improvement in the things I mentioned earlier, but the overall health of my kids. 2 years ago, it seemed like every other week we were at the doctor's getting them in for something, whether it was strep, whether it was bronchitis, whether it was just being overall congested. We've cut our doctor visits in half.
That's good, so it helped with their immune systems.
Yeah, it's helped with them, and I would also recommend it for any parent. I gotta say, I was one of the guys that was a doubter. I'm a firm believer. I had massive bad allergies. I was on prednisone maybe 9-10 times a year. I have not been on that at all this year. We found that I had 3 vertebrae that were actually closed on the right side of my neck. I'm now functioning virtually with no allergies. So.
Good. I love hearing that. So. Were there any surprise health benefits you noticed after receiving care, or you noticed with the children?
I noticed with my kids, the thing that amazed my wife and I more than anything was just how much healthier they were. The common cold isn't even been an issue. It seemed like we had runny noses constantly. We had sickness. Other than an occasional stomach bug, that's really all we've seen. For me personally, not having to be on medicine for at least the last 11 months has been a huge benefit.
Good. And is there anything that any other comments you'd like to share?
I would think for anybody that's a doubter out there, give it a try. Dr. Joe and his staff are absolutely fantastic. They've made a tremendous impact, not just on myself and my wife, but my kids as well. And I would try it sooner rather than later. You'd be surprised at what results you get.